first video on my channel, and this is my 2012 Dodge Charger SXT Plus. It's fully loaded, and this is the key for the car. It says Dodge. Lock, unlock, double tap this for the trunk, and double tap this for remote start. So we'll go ahead and do that. And it starts right up. Now, around the vehicle, my car's got the factory painted black wheels. They are factory painted. I also got a power sunroof. Also, the car is finished in silver. This is the rear of the car. Everyone knows a Charger by the taillights. Now, my taillights down here, LEDs, as the Chargers of this year or older Chargers, the LEDs go bad, so I unplugged it. It doesn't look perfect, but it actually looks better than what I thought it would look like by unplugging it. This is the full review of the outside of the car. For the headlights, I've got LED OPT7 flux beams, and for the fog lights, they are Oxydo LED fog lights. Both sides, I did switch them out from the halogen. They came factory stock with the car. Now for the interior of the car, you got your auto up and down driver and passenger side windows. The rears are not. You got paddle shifters here. I got an 8.4 head unit. This does not have navigation. That's the only thing this car did not come with, which doesn't really bother me because I'm not going to be using it much if I do have it. I do have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, if you got a 5-speed, you will have the regular traditional lever or gear shifter. Push button start right there. I have a full leather interior. Full leather. Like I said, I got the sunroof. And you got heated and ventilated seats here. The rear is also has heated seats for the rear, and these are regular bulbs all around, which I really don't like it. I will be switching it up to LEDs very soon. For the doors and the footwell lights, I do have a Beats audio system. Back here you only got a big Beats audio subwoofer, which sounds really awesome. It actually bangs. This is my detailed products here. This is the 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. It does push around 292 stock, but I mean, it's not a lot. It's nothing compared to a Hemi. It's a lot of fun to drive and not get in trouble with though. So it's a good V6, but I would rather a Hemi in this car. Full video of my car. If you guys want to see any other videos of it, anything you want me to do to the car, please leave a comment below, subscribe, like, and if there's any way you guys can help me or let me know how to improve my video, I will be more than happy and I would appreciate it. Thank you.